Hey, this is Cole from KC Power Plant, and today we're in Coto De Caza, California, and we are removing this painted surface from the driveway and into the backyard. It's failing and chipping a little bit, and we're doing it with the wet sandblast method that prevents or doesn't allow the concrete to scar as we're doing it. So we're basically restoring the original form of the concrete. Check it out. We're moving at about 5 square feet a minute, so we should have this whole project done in about 1 day. If you have something similar to this, give me a call at 714-34-CLEAN or visit us on our website at kcpowerclean.com. Thanks.